bring the fire down, down, down. Baltimore is burning, the streets are all alive. If there is no justice, there'll be no sleep tonight. Britain's had enough of trendy coffee bars. Coppers on the rampage, protesters seeing stars. Boom! Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down, 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 down. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down, down, down. Baltimore is burning, the streets are all alive. If there is no justice, there'll be no sleep tonight. Britain's had enough of trendy coffee bars. Coppers on the rampage, protesters seeing stars. Boom! Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down, 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 down. Money's moving in, so they're moving people out. They're breaking up the working class so that there is no doubt. The money's moving in, so they're moving people out. They're breaking up the working class so that there is no doubt. Oh! Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down, 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 down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. The EDA are marching like Hitler never died. The PM says he's on it, but we all know he lied. UKIP on a mission to make the country white. The media are joining them or leading to the right. Boom! Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Send the fire down, 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 down. So become a mockery with salads on the slate. We need to do something before it is too late. It's all become a mockery with salads on the slate. It's all about the love, no time for the hate. Oh, bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Bring the fire, bring the fire. Bring the fire down. Fire, fire. Right, I don't know if it's going out okay or not. I'm not really sure.
It's looking good, guys. It's looking good.
Cool.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Yeah, big love to you all. Thank you for tuning in. Reshare it. Do whatever you want to fucking do with it.
Big up the status. You know how it is. Intermittent latency issues. Packet loss. It's getting fucking gutting. You got to call up and complain to your ISPs, your internet service providers. Call up and complain and talk about it. You need to listen to the music. Let's hear it. Let's get something out of our money. It's fucking worth its weight in gold.
Right, on that note, this is called Ketamine Kill the Party. It's a love-hate song, actually. So, so the guys are just having a fucking little conversation about it. About cider isn't what it used to be these days or something like that. Anyway, on that note, yeah, this is a love-hate song. It's called Ketamine Kill the Party.
Yeah,
is that still
feedback
running,
loop otherwise.
Is it still running?
Yeah.
Oh,
Good. Loud and clear now, Jamie. Thank you, Sally Jones.
Yeah, big shout to Lemmy for the ref, and big shout to George Formby for the ref before Lemmy stole it off him, and I stole it off Lem. I know he wouldn't mind. Come on, Lem, I know you wouldn't mind at all. Anyway, so with that.
What, George Foreman, really?
George Formby.
George Formby?
Yeah. When I was playing in
right.
Big up Sean Cole, yes then, thank you. Tune in to that good shit FM.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Fuck punk, fuck punk, fuck Ketamine, super skunk. Fuck punk, fuck punk, fuck Ketamine, super skunk. Fuck it, fuck off. This fight's gotta stop. Fuck punk, fuck punk, fuck Ketamine, super skunk. Hey! Kill the party, tell me fucking who. It were Maggie Thatcher, it was fucking you. Ketamine kill the party, Ketamine kill the rave. Ketamine kill the party, Ketamine kill the rave. Ketamine kill the party, Ketamine kill Ketamine created dubstep. Skrillex, yeah! Fuck punk, fuck ketamine, the super skunk. Fuck punk, fuck ketamine, the super skunk. Fuck hip, fuck hop, this fight talk's gotta stop. Fuck punk, fuck ketamine, the super skunk. Who killed the party? Tell me fucking who? It was Maggie Thatcher, it was fucking you! Ketamine killed the party, ketamine killed the rave. Ketamine killed the party, ketamine killed the rave. Ketamine killed the party, ketamine killed the rave. Ketamine created dubstep, Skrillex, behave!
Go on, Niko, have a solo, mate. Get in the camera. Get in the camera there. Go on, Niko. Get in the camera, lad.
Ketamine killed the party, ketamine killed the rave.
Fuck punk.
Fuck ketamine and super skunk. Fuck punk, fuck ketamine and super skunk. Fuck hip, fuck hop, this fight talk's gotta stop. Fuck punk, fuck ketamine and super skunk. Who killed the party? Tell me fucking who? It was Maggie Thatcher, it was fucking you! Hopefully that went well. Yeah.
Did your boyfriend call you doing that, Niko?
Nah,
Not yet.
not yet.
Because he never calls anyone, does he? Like, he'll always call the wrong time.
Oh,
All of that
wicked.
fucking rum, it's gone.
Nah.
No, we still
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
right. Should we what should we have, Freddie? We done right.
Peace Riot.
Peace Riot. Aye, nice and easy, nice call and response. This is quite easy. When we say peace, you say riot. It's quite simple. All you got to think is one word, riot. That's all. When we say peace. Just need to let you know this is just a song. We're not trying to incite you to do anything. Yeah, you know, we're not telling you to go smash any shop windows or overthrow the government or anything like that. It's just a song, really. So anyway,
No.
yeah. All right. Anyway, so yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Kelly Garvey, for tuning in, bangers.
Yes, Kelly.
Yes, Kelly. Statistically, you're 8 times more likely to be killed by a policeman than a terrorist. This is a fact. You know, if you see a policeman on one side of the road and a terrorist on the other, you're fucking safer with a terrorist. At the end of the day, one man's terrorist, another man's freedom fighter. Big up Mandela, big up Michael Collins, big up Owen Glyndor, big up all freedom fighters.
And the fighters of freedom. I can't throw up in Mark's house, mate. I've got to
All right, hang on.
I'll give you a dog bowl. Oh, mate, whatever. I'm gonna be sick, innit?
Hang on, he's going to be sick in a minute.
Too much codeine, too much fun. Too much fucking over.
Sink it! Sink it, Freddie!
Swallow it, you
Sink
slut.
it, Fred.
Yeah.
Swallow it, you slut.
I think we're still going live. I don't
Yeah,
know.
we
We are, we're all live on channel
Give us a sec.
Facebook Live, mate.
Yeah, I'm really sorry, Freddie. Had to go and be sick a minute. You know, usually where he's been sick on stage loads of times. He shit
Break
himself
a
on
leg,
stage.
Freddie, break a leg.
Part of his rehabilitation, you
Yeah.
know, you have to be sick to get it out.
I'm going to tell you one of my favourite anecdotes now, like a band anecdote. One of my favourite experiences ever was I climbed up on a stage at Boomtown, and Freddie was already there, obviously doing his, you know, doing the drum sound check. And the first thing that he said to me when I got on stage was, "I've shit myself, Jay." And I said, "Okay, cool, Fred. Well, we're about to play a set." And he went, "It'll all be okay." And anyway. He played the set, we fucking smashed it, and the next morning I went back to the stage to pick up a jacket that I'd left there, and the sound engineer said, "You won't believe what happened yesterday." He said, "I found a pair of shitty pants this morning. Someone had shit a pair of pants and left them, and I didn't have the heart to tell him it was my drummer." So anyway, there's a little story for you about Fred, and it happens. You know, cider, I blame it on the cider. Anyway, we're Mad Dog Collective on that really dark anecdote.
I didn't even throw up this time.
He didn't throw up then, he just had to have a brief.
It was courtesy for where we are, which is
Yeah.
a secret location. Yeah.
Yep.
This is a bit of courtesy. Just had to get some gas out. In it, you know what it's
Yeah.
like.
Right.
All right, where? What, peace, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still live. We got 6 people watching. Thank you very much, everybody.
Okay.
Kate Jones, yeah, you're playing. Wicked. Everybody's hearing us loud and clear. So We've got no excuses now. No excuses, lads.
This one is a little song we like to call the Peace Riot. It's a call and response, so pay attention. You in the back, be quiet. You lot gonna shout riot, make my peaceful dreams come true. So when they charge me with inciting a riot, I'll say it wasn't me, it was you. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, peace. Calm down, no peace. You say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot. Mr. Policeman, don't intervene right now, or you'll be the one inciting a riot. Oh, please don't do allow. We're all peaceful people, really don't want to smash no shop window, but we gotta get hope alive, alive for the future. So when I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace. Peace. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace. Riot. Peace. I want to get a t-shirt that says health and safety violation. I'm sure I should be illegal now in this Tory nation. Since Galloway danced in a leotard, there's not a lot of peace movement left. All that we really have left is resisting arrest. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot, peace. I want to get a t-shirt that says health and safety violation. I'm sure I should be illegal now in this Tory nation. Since Galloway down to the leotard, there's not a lot of peace movement left. All that we really have left is resisting arrest. Oh, when I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, peace. When I say peace, you say riot. Peace, riot, peace, riot, riot. Riot, love, revolution, peace, love, riot, revolution, peace, love, riot, revolution. Riot! Nice. Yeah, no, that was, we wasn't trying to incite you to do anything at all. That was just a song, and obviously we don't want you to, we don't need to riot.
No way,
Well,
we don't.
shh. Anyway, yeah, on the back of that, yeah, strange times, isn't it? Really? And, yeah, we're Mad Dog Collective, you definitely you. We fucking love you all, man. Do you know what I mean? It's, you know, we even love the people who don't love us. We love you, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it, really. You know what I mean? So we just love you. And, yeah, so what do you want to do, Fred?
I've only got time for one more.
We've got one more. We're going to do Last Chance to Dance. Sorry, this set has been a bit more shambolic. The first time it was really good.
That's all good.
But the second time it's like, you know, not quite as tight, maybe. But, you know, the rum has been flowing for these boys, and I've been smashing the H2O, so I'm fucking alive, and I'm like a WaterAid fucking advert or something. Anyway, we're going to do Last Chance to Dance because it really could be a last chance to dance. You never know in these strange times, don't you? You know, you're allowed to meet at the tills, you can go to supermarkets, you can go to work, you can go anywhere we can spend some fucking money. You can't really go to a field at the moment and hang around with like-minded fucking pikeys, you likeys, chancers like us.
Hey,
you know, yeah, obviously. Alright. Do you want to buy a dog? Anyway, on that note, we're Mad Dog Collective, you are you, and this is called Last Chance to Dance. Woo! Successive governments of the ruling classes have continued to pass anti-fun legislation in an attempt to stop you dancing. So this really could be your last chance to dance, yeah? Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. This really could be your last chance to dance. The fascist boot boys of the socially elite, they'll try and stop us having fun upon our feet. The fascist boot boys of the socially elite, they'll try and stop us from dancing in the streets. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Here we go again. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Really could be. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. This really could be your last chance to dance. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. This is a free party alert. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. Take off your shoes, take off your shirt. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. This is a free party alert. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. Take off your shoes, take off your shirts. The chief inspector says, no fun today, so all you rabble will have to go away. The chief inspector says, no fun today, so let's find some fields where the sound systems can play. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Here we go again. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. It really could be. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. This really could be your last chance to dance. Fall upon the mic cause I'm not an MC. Got ears to the ground for the free party. Upon the mic with my man Jamie. Last chance to dance from the MDC. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. This is a free party alert. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. Take off your shoes, take off your shirt. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. This is a free party alert. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. Take off your tights, take off your skirts. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Here we go again. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Really could be. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. This really could be your last chance to dance. Another verse. Say, Jay. Here you go, boys. Woo.
Could be your last chance to dance.
The free sound systems of the rebel party crew, they're making music so you can party too. The free sound systems of the rebel party crews, they're breaking buildings so we can party too. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance, everybody. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance, it really could be. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. This really could be. Hey, last chance to dance. All you skateboard punks and acid trippers, psychos. Hardcore trunks, passive sniffers, skateboard punks and acid trippers, psycho Philly, mods and rockers. They show these fucking Tory fuckers. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. Here we go again. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance, everybody. Last chance to dance now. Last chance to dance. This really could be your last chance to dance. And everybody move, nobody gets hurt. This is a free party alert. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. Take off your shoes, take off your shirt. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. This is a free party alert. Everybody move, nobody gets hurt. Last chance to dance now. Nice, thank you very much. We Mad Dog Collective here with you. It's all fucking love, baby. Woo! We love you. Big shout to the rest of Mad Dog Collective all around the place. Emily Flea, big shout to you up in the London town. Ian Crystal, big shout to you down in the TB Valley in Wales. Big shout to the Orstone. Big shout to Spiral. Big shout to Feral Fam, big shout to Small World Fam, big shout to Feral Surplus, fucking big shout to you all really. Bird's Nest, definitely.
All the pubs keeping open.
Bon the Sax, big love to you. Mel Twizzle Trumpet, big love to you. We've been Jamie Dog, Freddie, Mark, Morgan, and Niko.
Nice.
Mr. Love, man.
Yep. Oh, and also a big shout to the Dragon, Stace. We love you all. Bye bye.